So now we're going to talk a little bit about linear equations in this section. So in section 1.1, we were talking about graphing and the relationship between x and y. But now we're just going to focus on one variable, an equation in one variable, and how to solve those. Okay, so the definition, you can have ax plus b equals 0. So basically any linear equation in one variable that you have could be simplified to this form. You get an x term, you get a constant, and that's it. Okay, and by the way, a cannot be 0 because if it is, then you don't have the x term. Okay. What we're interested in with these linear equations is being able to solve the equation. So we want to get something like x equals, and then there's going to be an answer here, okay? And these are linear equations, so there's different types of equations, so I'm not going to say how many solutions you're going to have necessarily, but a lot of times we'll just say that you're going to get x equals, and then there's going to be some number there, okay? And those are called solutions or roots. Solutions satisfy the equation, meaning they make the equation true. They make it true. Okay, so let's say you have x plus 7 equals 10. Well, you could look at that and probably figure it out. We would say x equals 3. That is the solution. That is the value that satisfies the equation, that makes it true. If we take 3 plus 7, that equals 10. So that's the check, and we're saying x is equal to 3. This is called a conditional equation. So if I came up with x equals 2, that would not be a solution because 2 doesn't make the equation true, right? 2 plus 7, 10, no, that doesn't work, and so this is not a solution. Let me just talk about the word root here for a minute. They use that, in this class, we'll use that word sometimes to indicate solutions or roots, okay? And we'll talk about more in the future. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to show you the steps for solving an equation, okay?